Imagine waking up as Elon Musk with $1 billion sitting in your bank account. Sounds powerful, right? But pause. That's just imagination. Now come back to reality. You may not have $1 billion, but you do have something far more important, a starting point. And today, that starting point is $1,000. Most people think $1,000 is too small to matter. They're wrong. The problem isn't the amount of money. The problem is how people think about money. I don't think in terms of money. I think in terms of systems, leverage, and long-term outcomes. So let's talk about how to use $1,000 intelligently. First, understand this. $1,000 is not get-rich money. It's learning capital. Your first goal is not to make millions. Your first goal is to increase your ability to make better decisions. Before you invest anything, you need rules. Rule number 1, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Rule number 2, never invest in something you don't understand. Rule number 3, short-term thinking destroys long-term success. Now let's break down the $1,000. The first $200 go into knowledge, not motivation, not hype, real skills. Learn how markets work. Learn how businesses make money. Learn a skill that can increase your income. Knowledge compounds faster than money ever will. The next $400 go into safe, long-term investing. Boring is good. Index funds, broad market exposure. You're not trying to beat the market, you're trying to stay in the game long enough for time to work in your favor. You invest it and you leave it alone. The next $300 go into high-risk, high-learning opportunities. This is where you experiment. Start something small, test an idea, build a digital product, create content, learn how to sell, how to market, how to solve problems. This money is not for gambling, it's for testing. If it fails, you gain experience. If it works, you gain leverage. The final $100 stays as cash, untouched, because desperation leads to bad decisions and liquidity gives you clarity. Now, here's the mindset shift most people never make. Stop asking how much money can I make? Start asking how much value can I create? Money is a side effect of value creation. Time is the real multiplier. Compounding isn't magic, it's patience plus consistency. $1,000 invested once is small. $1,000 invested repeatedly with better skills and better decisions is powerful. And finally, understand this. You don't need to wake up as Elon Musk. You don't need $1 billion. You need clear thinking, long-term vision, and the discipline to make small, smart moves. $1,000 is not the end. It's the beginning.